Hello students, Standard 9, IT, Chapter 6, Analyzing Data in the Computer. In this chapter, we are discussing about the software LibreOffice Calc. It is mainly used for tabulating the data and for its calculations. So, we have to open LibreOffice Calc, Applications, Office, LibreOffice Calc. It's a platform for typing and tabulating the data. It's a spreadsheet. There are many rows and columns. Here, the first activity, we have to type some data regarding the temperature at different places, and we have to find the average temperature. So for that, first we can create the table. That is, first serial number, then place, then maximum temperature, max temp, then minimum temperature, min temp, okay, in degree Celsius. So the editing of data we have studied from last class, from your 8th standard, okay. Then we can type the data. First, the place is Agra, then the maximum temperature and minimum temperature 22, okay. Then we can add the serial number by using fill handle tool, okay. That is, we can add the numbers like this. First two columns you have to do, then select two columns, and by dragging here we can get the numbers, okay. So this is the values. Then the next activity we have to do is to find the average temperature. The maximum and minimum temperatures are given, then we have to find the average temperature. For that, select, here we have to type daily mean temperature or average temperature. Mean temperature, mean means average, daily mean okay. Then we have to find the average of these two columns, these two cells, that is CD, C2, the cell C2 and the cell D2. This is C2 and this is D2. Okay, then How to find the average? First, find the sum and divide it by the number. That is, here only two numbers. So, we can add the two columns and divide it by 2. So, type equal to symbol. Then, sum of, use the bracket. Then, the column C2, it is C2, then full colon, 2 dots, full colon, then second cell D2. This will give the sum divided by, division operator, divided by 2. Then press enter. Though we get the average temperature, the average of 2. Then we can drag it down and we can get the all minimum temperatures. We have to find only one and to drag very simply. So this is the first activity, to find the average or mean temperature. Okay. Then the next activity 6.2 is, let us round off the decimal places. They have decimal points 30.5, 33.5 decimal values are there. So we have to round it to a integer, a numeral. Okay. So for that we have a tool, round tool. Okay. For that we can add a column, the mean temperature, rounded mean temperature. Okay, rounded mean temperature. Okay, first for that select the first column, first cell, and select the tool. It's a function wizard tool, function tool, f of x. Click here, we can get the function wizard. From here we can select the function, it is round. Round. Okay, here the function is round. Then click next. Then here the number, there is a cell called number. Here we have to give the name of the cell. That is, we have to find the rounded value of E2. The rounded value of E2 we have to round. So give here E2. Then at the place of count we can add how many numbers or how many digits are to be displayed after the rounded, after decimal point. So we need not give anything, or we can give 0 here. Then click OK. Here the rounded value is given, 0.5 is rounded to 1, so it become 31. Then drag simply and we can get the other values. That is the second activity. Then It's the main activities we have to do. As first step, we find the average and we rounded the average value. Okay, thank you.